Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever thought about launching your own AI chatbot like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Claude, but figured it was way too technical or expensive, I've got something that's going to blow your mind. Imagine building your own AI platform, fully branded with your name, your logo, and your colors, all without writing a single line of code, hiring developers, or paying monthly subscription fees. Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what ChatBeast AI is changing. ChatBeast AI is a revolutionary platform that lets you create and launch your own AI chatbot in under 60 seconds. No tech skills required. It's literally a few clicks to customize the look, choose your niche, and start offering your chatbot as a paid service to clients, businesses, or even your own audience. You're not just using an AI tool, you're owning one and keeping 100% of the profits. Right now, millions of people are using AI tools like ChatGPT, but the truth is most businesses are just renting these tools. They're stuck with generic bots that don't match their brand, can't collect leads properly, and offer zero return on investment. ChatBeast AI flips that model. You're in full control. You own the tool, you get the leads, you make the money. Whether you're a marketer, entrepreneur, agency owner, or just someone looking to tap into the exploding AI space, this is your chance to build something powerful, branded, and profitable without any of the usual headaches. If you want to learn more about ChatBeast AI, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.